Well, couldn't get gingerbread houses, so we improvised with graham crackers and everything else. This was my attempt. Unfortunately, it fell apart as I was finishing up the roof, but just decided to roll with it and make it look like a blizzard came in. So it's like a little bit of a disaster zone. Look, I even got little trolls people in here that got buried. Yep. Well, I tried. Enjoying some Christmas carnage. Yeah, there's like several more trolls buried under there. I'm such a morbid person. But hey, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And then throw it back in life's face.